Hello everyone, with a broad namaste and a Jai Hind. As they have already told who I am, again I should start. I am Niharika, an IPS officer from Uttar Pradesh Police, your police. So here I'll start things from giving you a situation. I think I'm audible till the last. Okay? Fine. Imagine yourself driving a comfortable Mercedes, BMW, whatever, listening a great Symphony 9. Okay? Relaxing, your chauffeur is driving for you. All of a sudden, lot of crash and cramp, you stop. You ask your driver, what's the matter? Driver tells you some mishap outside. Ultimately, you say, so where is the cop? What arrangement is going on? Why we are stuck? A driver says, sir, पुलिस इज स्टैंडिंग आउट बाहर है पुलिस कुछ हो रहा है यू सिट एंड द scene passes on. Now I want a reaction here. Tell me honestly, how many of you perceived this scene police officer as a male? A police standing there as a male. Can you raise your hands? I can't see the hands. Male officer. Only one. Okay. And how many of you perceived that when you told your chauffeur who is the police person, then you expected a female there? Raise hands. Okay. Few. This is the position from where we started. Okay. I joined police as fully operating in the year 2021. The influx of females was very less. And in the officers level, which I hold right now, which are called the commandants or the commanders of the force, were very few. The causes may be many. If we keep counting, the session will pass and things go lapping. So, not to go into that, but when we came into police or when females were inducted into belt forces, the numbers were less and the confidence plus the trust side was also to some extent was in a zigzag balance. Later on here where I stand now, I find a better equilibrium. So now starting since beginning, what I saw the society from what all zigzags I came here. I was born in a bureaucrat's family. My father was also a PCS officer. Life was all good, like most of all, you are having a good chauffeur driven car, used to drop me to the school, comfortable life with 2, 3 caretakers around. Life was going smooth. I was like any other, not to be very rude, type of couch potato, not knowing where the actual world is moving. Living a comfortable life, getting food in my platter. All of a sudden, a jolt came when we got news of sudden demise of my father, and things changed here. Like my mother was also a lecturer since beginning, but the comforts, the luxuries which we were very used to have and which we used to think that it is our birthright slipped away. Now I was just like any other person. And here started the life. I was in class ninth, you say, where the life was opening its eyes. I was coming out of my slumber and I started reading. Due to some memories of my father, maybe missing father, I started reading his books. I came across some good English illustrated classics. Some of you must have been read about Dickens, Charles Dickens, R.L. Stevenson sort of novels. Then I came across Hindi literature. I started reading poetries because I was since beginning I was a person who was not very extrovert. I used to write down my views. Sooner or later, I don't know when they turned into a poetry. And I thought in my heart, I can write poetries. I started writing it. Gradually, I came into debating. Debate started. Look how life gives you challenges. When I came, I took my primary education from St. Mary's Carmel. When I first time saw the debate panel, I thought I'll not be able to speak. What happened the another day? There were three speakers. One got ill, so deliberately sisters took me and they gave me a topic. That to the against. One is for. You mentally prepare what you're going to speak. And the topic was, there were two speakers for the for. They said, you go and speak against. I said, how you're going to speak against the democracy? The topic was, is democracy good for India? My sort of a lay person who was not knowing much. Anyway, jod tod ke something, I spoke. Then I realized ki where I actually stand. I started reading then the Indian political system. Then I realized somewhere in my heart ki yes, it is my core interest where I really want to go into depth. And to you, when I qualified civil services, the political science played a very significant role. So here life gave me a challenge. Just it came as a sudden, just say we all think that we are sitting and waiting for the opportunities. No, opportunity knocks your door only once. Open it with full hand and it'll come and it'll grab you. That happened with me. Anyway, the life started from Ma Baker to Rukna. Ma Baker, you must have known Bonium series. From there, we shifted to Rukna Nahi Tu Kahin Haar Ke, Kaanton Pe Chal Ke Milenge Raste Bahar Ke. Anyway, the life goes on. For the first time, I qualified UGC JRF when I was in the first year of my PG. And I was preparing for UPSC, but Uttar Pradesh Police Public Service Commission, the exam came, I wrote and I got through. Someone of the relative, after interview, they said, you qualified. I was like this, only 21 years old I was. I qualified. It was a nightmare for me. Now, look, I'm an officer now. When I went to the academy, everyone was like very serious. In my heart, I used to groom myself. You're an officer. You have to behave like that. So what I felt at that time, that every day, take a little pause and see what is happening all around. Life is giving you lessons in each and every step. The time went on. I entered into police. Yes, I opted it by my choice. I got selected in SDMs and pieces proper also, but I kept serving in the belt forces because I love wearing khaki and I'm really fond of it. We came across lot of challenges. Initially, when I was posted in crime prone areas, I came to know what actual crime is and what is there between the lines. So as a kids, as or maybe you are a grown children now, whenever you see things, try to read between lines. Like if you are someone told you to read a philosophy or a psychology or a given idea or a given story, just try to assimilate what must have been the circumstances which originated the story. What will be the outcome if the end changes? Suppose अगर टाइटैनिक नहीं डूबा होता, हिस्ट्री कुछ और होती, या हिटलर सर्वाइव किया होता, हिस्ट्री कुछ और होती. आप रीड बिटवीन द लाइन्स करो. जितने वॉट एवर वी हैव हर्ड अबाउट इकोनॉमीज, लिबरलिज्म, कैपिटलिज्म, other type, you devise your own type of ism. That is all what which life gives you an chance, which you ignore. Chodo jane do. No chodo jane do. Grab the moment. Think what can be, what it should have been. Anyway, from there, the journey kept on growing. We kept about reading about crime, criminals, lot of gangs, how they operate. Some of the big gangs we learned about that operate from Rajasthan. They used to come Bavarias. They were Bavarias, hardcore killers they were. They used to kill from smallest child to the oldest person in the family, and they used to rob the houses. That was the biggest jolt for me. Then when I went into the history of the clan, I came to know how in a cultural way it was inducted in their blood to commit this crime and take it as a religious epitome. The journey goes on. Now I came into the traffic, one of my very, very, very favorite topics. I not only learned, every day I was giving some teachings also to the schools. I used to go there, organizing seminars, sometimes for gender sensitization, for sometimes for traffic education. There were some big challenges also, that there is a high court in Prayagraj where the parking issue was a big thing. Here I learned how to manipulate by speaking soft. There were the huge, very learned lawyers group. It was difficult to convince them to follow us. Here the manipulation skill worked. How we went there, even being a police officer, leaving our all egos, we just made them realize that yes, this, if has been done in this way, it can be more better. Then whole of the lobby stood behind us. That was no any power, no any unnecessary pressure. That was the only manipulative technique, making them clear. If you see the things from this perspective, it can look like this. That what I want you to develop a vision. Start watching things from various dimensions. Like you all are aware of 2D, 4D, 3D. Okay, you have your own dimension. You must have read in physics how many dimensions the universe works in. Have your own dimension. Think the way you want things to be. And I tell you, if you start manipulating your own self, you will be able to make that happen. Anyway, then I was posted as the staff officer to the ADG zone, Kanpur. There I learned how to work with the junior staff in making them follow you as well as making them realize the sense of responsibility. It is very easy to come and preach here, like I'm standing here on this big red circle and speaking to you, but it is up to me and how I tackle you to follow me. That was the skill which I learned there. Ki if you are giving a command, it is very necessary, it is essential that the other end is listening to you and the other end is giving you a positive return. That is only possible when you come up with good, great ideas. Suppose sitting here, I'm telling my contingent ki go and break the moon and bring it to me. No, it's not possible. Even if you develop a rocket science, till now it's not possible. Give a command which is feasible. Give an order which is feasible and practical. That I learned there. Lot of things are taught to us which are not fitting in our shoes. So what I mean to tell you, okay, only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Okay, but it is up to us to know how to mend the shoe to fit in our feet and how to adjust our feet to suit the shoe. This is again a read between lines. It is up to you how you take it, but as a children, whole of the world is open to you. Keep devising things according to you and keep manipulating yourself according to the things. The another very challenging posting I got is SDRF. You must have heard about it because in Varanasi you people have NDRF. SDRF is a State Disaster Response Force. I was working there as in the ops position, and for me it was a glory that my department trusted me. They have given me maximum ops jobs. I have taken my boys to the rock climbing, to the deep diving. I have seen where the real disaster comes, what are the later on effects of the disaster, how you provide relief, and where are the real troubles lying which are really causing disaster. Some of later speakers will tell you about environment. I have met 2 3 people who are from that field. So there it really gave us a thought ki yes, if we could have amended it like this or our generation could have acted like this, we could have given a better tomorrow. So this is the thing which I picked up from my that posting. Then I came to a very, there are two big procurement stores. The one was in Kanpur. I was there as SP procurements for a quite long period of time. I really realized, let me tell you, what we actually need is not quantity. We need quality. Everything, you can keep doing everything every day. It's a routine. Everyone gets up, brushes their teeth, go to bar, take breakfast, come to school, or maybe going to office, whatever they want. But if you keep adding it, the quality into it, you will be finding yourself every day a better person. Like start from a simple thing. Get up, make up your hair, wear whatever uniform you're wearing, stand in front of mirror and correct yourself. You'll be realizing every day there is some possibility to correct yourself. Like when you are ready, you're not all error free. So that's what want to convey you, that being very, very, very perfect is not okay, but yes, improvement possibilities are there. So there's a little saying from one of my extract. I forgot to tell you that I wrote a poetry's book also. It is on Amazon, Flipkart. The name of the book is Offline पलों की तरकश से. तो 2 lines from that book. जो मिले कहीं सूरज धूप उगाता, थोड़ी सी धूप पेशानी में लगा लेना. जो मिले कहीं सूरज धूप उगाता, थोड़ी सी धूप पेशानी में लगा लेना. जो बदलियां निगलने सूरज को, जो बदलियां निगलने सूरज को, जाग जाना नया सूरज उगा लेना. जाग जाना नया सूरज उगा लेना. तो दैट व्हाट आई टेल यू, लाइफ नेवर एंड्स अप, opportunities never ends up. So passing by and by, I came to Gorakhpur as Commandant 26 Battalion PSC with a huge sum of female recruits. I am blessed that I am giving them training, and by I keep telling them कि whenever you come out in the district, give a vision to the society. Yes, the police can be like this. A female police or whatever, a male police can be like this, a better version of police. Because till date, if I am not very rude, till date, the Uttar Pradesh police is being picturized in cartoons like carrying a danda, big mustaches, speaking abuses, and running behind some vague thing. So that's what I tell my recruits. Change the perceptive. Time is changing. Adapt the changes. Come out with a fully developed, groomed yourself. Keep learning, keep imbibing, learn soft skills because the society is very educated. That's what you all have to realize. Pace up with the time. See what is going on all around the world. In India, we are fortunate that we are living in a country which is continuously growing, and you are having new horizons, new aspects, new platforms to learn more. Here, it's very good that we are having the good freedom of expression and as well as the freedom to speak. We have to justify it by giving our society every day something positive, something good. Yes, whenever you make a plan A, always be ready with your plan B, C, D. Anytime a plan C can become a plan A. So devise and plan your life like this. This way, your all plans will going to get fulfilled one day. And not only be a producer of your life, be the director and also the showstopper of your life. Be everyone. So finally, I am a Shakti worshipper. I worship Shakti. I'll quote a thing which Devi said in one of the Durga Saptashati shlok, which we should imbibe in our character. That is, यो मा जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्प व्ययो हप्ति यो मे प्रबलो लोके स मे भरता भविष्यति. This is the पंचम अध्याय श्लोक 121 from Durga Saptashati, which says, जो मेरे बराबर बलवान होगा, जो मेरे बराबर शौर्यवान होगा, जो मुझे संग्राम में पराजित कर देगा, वही मेरा पति होगा. This is the grace, glamour and self-confidence you must should have. Devi is speaking here as a female. You can take it as a personal, individual being. Give a competition to yourself, grow every day, and keep growing much more. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.